Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add core to Metamask. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the interface of Metamask, and when you're inside the interface of Metamask, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be Ethereum Mainnet. So you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear, and on the bottom of the pop-up box there will be an add network button. So you just have to click on that add network button. Now you just have to scroll down to the bottom and you will be able to see add a network manually. So you just have to click on that and adding section will appear right in front of your screen. Now you just have to fill up all these boxes. So I will fill up the things that is needed to be filled in order to add core. So you also have to add the same thing that I have currently added. So just pay attention and copy the things that I have currently added. So firstly, in network name you just have to type core blockchain, and in new RPC URL you just have to add that rpc.core.org, and after that in chain ID you just have to add 1116 and currency symbol is core, and block explorer URL you just have to add the URL of the block explorer. So I just fill up all of these boxes and you just have to copy the things that I filled up. As you can see, I have already filled up the things that is needed to be filled. So when you have added all those things, you just have to click on that save button, and there will be an pop-up notification box, and they will ask if you want to switch to core blockchain or dismiss. So you can just click on switch to core blockchain, and after that you have added core successfully to Metamask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.